thinking maybe Subway there or 5-star.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Or Chicken Express. They have good burritos.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't want you to drive all over town. I'm sorry.
Oh no. No. Yeah. No. Even with Apple having to like do pretty much just to avoid a lot of traffic.
What's that?
No, even with Apple having to at least like do Grizzly Island and all that. Pretty good. I mean, stays off a lot of the streets over there. Yeah, especially around like the airport, kind of where the sheriff's North Bay is. They're both like right in the same area, right. But a couple of streets from the airport. Like, yeah, I'm having to go just around to get around the. Yeah, it seems to work good. I mean, yeah. Yeah, once in a while there. I mean, yeah. Let's see.
Chicken Express.
That don't come out at the same time. I've seen it happen before. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
You have the right of way.
Oh yeah. No, and some people still continue backing up when they see a car going
I know.
by them. That's kind of why I'm like trying to. Yeah.
You mean the?
Oof. Let's get back out.
Give me the super chicken burrito.
A super chicken burrito.
Refried beans or whole beans?
Refried.
Refried.
Mild or hot pico?
Mild.
Mild.
Anything else?
And give me a crunchy chicken taco.
A crunchy chicken taco.
With sour cream or no sour?
No sour cream.
No sour cream.
And no cilantro.
Oh, and no cilantro. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, yeah.
There's those in a beata.
Thank you.
You're not getting nothing? You don't have to get nothing here.
No, I was looking on my phone. Wasn't like sure, but oh man. Ooh, yes. I've not seen one of these somewhere. Forget.
What's that?
No, I've seen another one of these somewhere. He's don't know where.
I know.
No, even out towards like the 560. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, like not Sacramento, but somewhere down that way. Thank you. Yeah, like some place. California Burrito has a down in Long Beach has locations too.
I'm not a fan of California burrito.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I saw in a video recently. I'm like, oh, I didn't know that. Thank you. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, it's like took me like surprise. Man, I've never seen them down the south end, but oh yeah, North Taco and Puerto Loco. It's like all over the place down there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. I mean, yeah, no. Let's see. Yeah, like yeah, in the Dutch pub, they open. They see the not that long of a line, but
Which one?
the new one of Fairgrounds.
Really?
Yeah, it was busy, but not all the way to the street. Like, still within like that one looks like a little too small. At least like should make it a little bit bigger. That way the
Well, it's not really coffee.
cute. Yeah, I mean a little bit of different things, but yeah, no, it's kind of like that one just gets. Even the Starbucks over there, I haven't really seen it. It's kind of hard to see from the street, but with the hotel being right there, I'm sure it's a little bit of business at least. I mean, than Six Flags being over there.
Oh, hurry. Punch it, Martha.
Yeah, he's doing one thing.
Do you let Shaky out at night before you put her in her?
Usually, yeah.
Because last night I thought she had to go out, and I'm like, I'm not getting out of bed to let her out.
Yeah, no, I mean.
And then she wasn't scratching and wanting to go out this morning. I thought, okay, I'm just gonna sleep.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I know. Car.
Huh?
Yeah, no, I saw someone else turned right in front of her car. That was calling me like, you're waiting.
I think
they were about to hit too. Oh yeah.
I just think the flow of traffic has changed.
Oh yeah.
You know, people do that because that's just what people do anymore, and people expect it. That car's going to pull from me, and it's going to be more fluid. And or you and I and everyone of my generation is.
Oh yeah, no, I mean,
I'll pull up to the mailbox and see. Oh, they've got a bike. How's that one? Is that one of the girls that live next door to us? I think it is.
yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I know sometimes the mail doesn't come. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just hoping against hope that there's something in there that says.
Oh.
Yeah, pull up just a bit more.
Oh.
Absolutely nothing.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Oh, it's...
Cool and cloudy by the coast. We're going to see daytime highs on Tuesday only in the upper 60s. Afternoon clearing in low to highs from 70 for
And so OG's probably afraid of both of us now since you put the notice it on him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.